Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to create a square logo in Canva that looks cool and professional. Whether you need a logo for your brand, website, or social media, this trick will save you a lot of time. So, let's jump right in and create something awesome. First, open Canva and log in or create a free account if you don't have one yet. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button and select Custom Size. Since we're making a square logo, set the dimensions to 500 by 500 pixels. This will give you the perfect canvas size. Now that we have a blank canvas, let's start by adding the golden ratio element. Next, go to the Elements tab, and under Shapes, choose the square. Resize it to match the size of the golden ratio. We're going to create for squares with different sizes. Now, we can remove the golden ratio. Next, let's position the squares like the example. This will give the design a cool, structured look. Now, it's time to play with colors. Click on the squares and choose colors that match your brand. Canva offers a wide variety of color options, or you can enter a custom color code if you have one. Don't be afraid to experiment here, your color choice sets the tone of the logo. Now for the fun part. Let's add your brand name. Go to the Text tab, add your brand name, and try out different fonts. Canva has a huge font library, so take your time finding the right style. Once your logo is ready, it's time to download. Click the Shares button at the top, select Download, and make sure to choose PNG for the best quality. You can also select transparent background if you want to use your logo on different platforms. And there you have it, your very own square logo made in Canva, all in just a few minutes. If you found this trick helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.